Hello everyone, welcome to Harlash. So today's title is what exactly is Forex? How does it work? Is it gambling? Or can people actually make money from it? Basic Forex Part 1. And by the end of this video, you will understand what Forex is, how to reset me Phillips account, and why it is not just luck, but it is skill. So most people questions or newbies, the first time they heard someone say Forex, the first thing that comes to their mind, oh, he must be gambling. Well, let me say this to you, and let me break this to you. That's not true. Forex stands for Foreign Exchange. Let me write it repeat. So what exactly is foreign exchange? Well, let's say that no, let's start with that. Okay, so it's the market where currencies are traded, and let's say that every time you see a pair like the Euro USD, it means you're trading the Euro versus the US dollar. So if the Euro gets stronger, the chart goes up. Euro gets stronger, Euro gets stronger, chart goes up. Euro got weaker, chart goes down. Why? Because before I start explaining all this to you, I will explain to you all the basic stuff first, right? I will explain all the basic stuff first before I'm going with a very hot one. So you're not buying real coins or bills, but you're speculating, making money off price movement. And this market, all of this market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Except if you're trading crypto that is open every single day. And it's the biggest market in the world. More than $7 trillion gets traded every single day. Alright, so you guys might be wondering what exactly is Forex. Why are you saying all of this? Why don't you just show us an example? Alright, chill. I'll tell you how Forex works. So let's say that we got someone named Adam, right? Adam. Okay, this is Adam. This is Adam. This is him. This is him. Okay, this is Adam. Hi Adam, how you doing? I'm doing fine. Okay, so let's say Adam live in New York. Okay, he live in New York City. He live in New York City. Okay, he live in New York City. But he want to go to London. He want to go to London. He want to go from London. He wants to go from London, from New York. So basically, he want to go from the USA to the UK. Okay, he wants to do that. So first of all, before he flies, or before he goes to London, first of all, he wants to check his currency. And let's say that he wants to exchange something like $1,000. He wants to change this $1,000 to his local exchange. Okay, this is his local exchange. Local exchange. He said to the guy, this is the guy right here. He said to the guy, "Hello, I want to trade my $1,000. I want to change my $1,000 to 1,000 British pound. I want to do that. Can I?" And this guy said, "Yeah, sure, you can do it. You can." So Adam trade his $1,000. Right? Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, this will be very important. Trade his $1,000 to 1,000 British pound. He trade his $1,000 to 1,000 British pound. Okay, so now let's say that Adam is now on his flight. Okay, he's on his flight. He's enjoying life. Right? Adam is enjoying life. He's enjoying life. Do eating UK stuff. Maybe finding new friends there. Doing anything that he might think fun. So 2 weeks have passed. Okay, 2 weeks have passed. and now he's finally back in New York, finally back in his hometown. He's finally back in New York, very happy. And let's say during those 2 weeks, he still have around he still have around 800 British pound. Okay, let's say he have around 800 British pound. And when he changed his dollar to British pound, it costs 1 to 1 ratio. Basically, mean like $1 for 1 GBP pound. Okay, but during those 2 weeks, the economy is changing bigs by bigs. Basically, Ida might not know it, but each time go by, the economy is actually moving, even though technically it's not very drastic. It's not a very big movement, but it's moving. Okay. So let's say that when he wants to trade his US dollar to British pounds, okay, the exchange rate say, hey, we're gonna change $1 to one GBP pound to 0.80 cents of US dollar. So add up 800 British pound is now getting traded for 20 cents less. Now can you guess that? Let me give you some time to think. Let me give you some time. Let me give you some time. Give you some time. So when Adam says that he wants to trade his $800 to British pound, he will lose $160 because you see 800 British pound is now getting exchanged for 80 cents for only one. So he's losing $160 even though he didn't do anything. Alright. So from being able to trade it for 800 pound, he will only get 740 for his GBP, for his British pound. Okay, that's a huge loss. $160 is not little. That's a huge loss. And in simple terms, that is basically how Forex is. He lost money in just these 2 weeks without doing anything. And that is exactly what Forex is. Now if he do just works a little bit until British pound gets stronger, then he might make money. But in simple terms, that is exactly what Forex is. But instead of going to London or to Japan, to Korea, to Arab, to Indonesia, to Singapore, to Malaysia, to Philippines, to anywhere else, to Russia even, you're just doing it online. And we are using broker, charts and strategies. So in simple terms, that is exactly what Forex trading is. It's not gambling. If you know what you're doing. Gambling is basically you going to your phone, your computer, or whatever. You don't know anything about trading. You don't know anything. You just see that, oh, this is going up. You know what? I'm gonna sell a stick because my gut tell me to. All right, let's say that somehow your gut is right. Well, you make money, but is that trading? No, it's not. It's gambling. Why? Because you just open up your charts, right? You just open up your chart. You see this, you see this, you see this, you see this. The candlestick, right? You see the candlestick. You see those candlesticks. You see them, and then you just guess it, right? You just guess where the price gonna go. For example, here. Oh, I think even though the market is currently in a downtrend, I think it's gonna go up. Well, you can be right. You can be right. It can be right. Honestly, I will not teach you guys yet about all the stuff because this video is about explaining our topics for today, which is exactly what forex trading is. I get thirsty. Okay, so let me show you how you profit and how you sell. Okay, let's say you catch the market. All right, you catch the market. You catch the market. You catch it. You catch the market. You catch the market. Okay, you catch the market. Go on. Let's say the market is. Let's say somewhere like this. I'm not gonna go into very much detail about this channel because this video is not about trading or anything. This video is about explaining what forex is to beginner. Even the pro can recap a bit. Alright, even the pro can recap a bit. So let's say this. Price is doing this, right? It's doing this. It's doing all this stuff. Doing this. And let's say you want to go for buy here. You want to go for long. Remember everyone, long is buy and short is sell. Okay, so let's say you want to go for buy, you want to go for long, and you target here. I don't know how much it is, but let's say your target is here, right? Your target is over here. So basically, what's gonna happen is, if price goes up in here, if price manages to go up in here, you make money. Where that is if you go for long. But most people think that, oh, trading, I cannot make money from price going down. Well, that is not true. You can make money from trading going down. Let's say you enter here, and you target this spot right here. Price goes up in your price goes down in your favor. It goes down in your favor, alright? It goes down in your favor. Well, you will make money. In simple terms, you will make money. So what I want to tell you is that the goal in forex trading is very simple. Buy low, sell high, or sell high and buy low. But the skill is not all the stuff. But the skill is knowing when you want to do it. So let's cut very shortly and say most people will assume or say forex is gambling. But here's the truth. Gambling is guessing, trading is planning. In gambling, you roll dice and hope. In forex, you analyze price action, price trends, price patterns, risk and news. You build a strategy and follow it. Sure, some people gamble in forex, no stop loss, full send, random entries. That's not trading. That is recklessness. Real trader calculate the risk, wait for confirmation, and protect the capital. There is nothing 100% in trading, but that is not gambling. Even though there's nothing 100%, it is not gambling. Why? Because okay, I'm not gonna dive too much about it because it's not supposed to be today topics. But what I would tell this very simple. Most trader will have risk management. Risk management, RM, risk management. What exactly is risk management, you might ask? Let's say you're risking $100 to make $500. Alright? Okay, let's say per se you lost 8 tricks, okay? You lost 8 tricks. So in total, how much did you lose? You lose $800. You lose $800. Alright? However, you won, let's say 4 trades. Alright? And since every win is $500, right? You won $2,000. So if we cut our loss, which is $800, in total you make $1,200, and that is proper risk management. In trading, there's nothing 100%. However, you can make assumption. You can think that the probability of price going toward that direction or trends, continuing that trend or breaking that trends, doing a breakout to be very high. I will not go into too much detail into explaining price action, trends, or anything like that because this video is me trying to explain to beginner what exactly is forex. So now that you know what forex is and how it works and what is not gambling, in the next video part 2, I will break down lot size, leverage, and how beginner blow their accounts in one night. You don't want to miss that if you're serious about learning this game properly. Like, sub, and follow if you're tired of fat flex trader and want the real deal. I got you. Listen up. I do not need your money. I do not need your money in this YouTube channel. I teach everything for free. However, it's not wrong for you to join my Discord server to learn more about trading and anything else. And I also post free signal in my Discord server, so make sure that you join it via my channel bio, alright, via my channel description. Make sure you join it. And so that's all for today's videos. I hope that you guys learn something from this video. If not, then you might ask me in comment section. I will gladly reply to you when I check it out, when I have the time. So for today videos, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and very well. I hope that you guys have a great time. You guys are really serious about trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, just like what I said earlier. And thank you very much. I'll be waiting for the next video. Alright? Keep in mind the next video is me breaking the lot size, leverage, and also peep. I will be breaking out all this stuff, even spread. This all is very basic, so you need to understand this if you want to calculate your risk. Okay? And so that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Goodbye and see you all in the next video.